Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Basically, my channel is to share with you the item that I bought as well as to unbox together with you guys and to show the review with you guys as well. Today you can see from the heading what I'm doing unboxing with you guys is Versace. I bought a haul of Versace item which I share with you guys today. Okay, let's go straight to the item that I bought. Are you guys excited? Before I show you guys, you can see the tissue is very nice. There's all Versace all around. I'm not sure whether you guys can see it. Basically, I bought this tee. Okay, you can still see the label is still on it. Okay, basically this is a tee which with the gold logo, which I think this design is very lasting and you can wear for a couple of years. And you can see that the gold Versace is the trademark of Versace, because normally Versace will do in gold color. And at the back, there's a Medusa head. Can you guys see? Yeah. Basically, this is the first item. Okay, let's go to the second item. Okay, this is the second item that I bought it. Okay, this one you can see. The first thing I'm attracted to this is because of this logo. You know, this year the logo is very in, and this is with the fluorescent green, which is going to be the next in thing for the next couple of months. And you can see the detail is very nice. Yeah, I love the detail very much. And at the back, there's another two so-called the dancer dancing. Yeah, can you see? Yeah. And this is the front with Versace logo. I like it very much. Okay, now let's go to the one more, the last item. Okay, this is a sweatshirt, but this is in navy blue with the white logo, Versace. Yeah, it's quite similar to the first one that you guys saw it, but this is in the tee and the gold. But because I wanted to get two different items, the tee and the sweatshirt, so I chose this in the white logo. Yeah, because you know, logo is very in for this year. And at the back, you can see also the Medusa head in white. Yeah. So these are the three items Versace haul that I got. Yeah. Hope you guys like my channel and my video. If you guys like my channel and video, please click on the subscribe button as well as to give me a thumbs up for the like. And last but not least, leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll try to answer. Bye, see you in the next video.